Hey everyone! If you're looking to boost your PC's sound quality in games or creative work without spending a dime, you're in the right place. I've rounded up the best free sound settings to level up your gaming experience. Let's jump right into it. First, open the control panel. Go to Sound Settings and scroll down to click More Sound Settings. A new window will pop up. In the Playback tab, locate your default sound device. It has a green check mark. Double-click it. Now go to the Enhancements tab. If Disable All Enhancements is checked, uncheck it. Then enable the following: Bass Boost, Virtual Surround, Loudness Equalization. Click Preview if you want, then hit Apply. Next, go to the Advanced tab. From the drop-down, select the highest sample rate and bit depth available, like 24-bit, 48,000 Hz. Then click Apply. Now head to the Spatial Sound tab. Choose Windows Sonic for headphones from the drop-down and apply again. This should instantly enhance your directional sound in games, perfect for FPS titles and open-world immersion. So if your PC doesn't support these enhancements or you want even more customization, try FX Sound, a free, lightweight app. Open your browser and search FX Sound, or go directly to fxsound.com. Click Download for Windows. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and open the app. The interface is clean. Select your preferred sound output. Then choose from various profiles like gaming, music, voice, and more. You can manually tweak the bass, clarity, dynamic boost, and more until it sounds just right for you. And that's it. With these tweaks in FX Sound, your PC audio should feel sharper, deeper, and way more immersive, especially in your favorite games. If this helped, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite game, and subscribe for more PC tips every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.